Hi, Greg Dorsey here at Leeb.com, Leeb.com. It's Thursday, November 10th. And before I forget, be sure to sign up for a free electronic newsletter if you haven't done so already at Leeb.com. Well, stocks here in the U.S. Largely generated positive returns today in stark contrast to yesterday's dreadful rout. Again, the headline news out of Europe held sway as Greece announced the new leader for its unity government, and Italian President Berlusconi is near to stepping down in favor of a unity government there. Both these new governments, should be able to push through much-needed economic reforms. European leaders are still divided on how best to combat the worsening sovereign debt crisis and what role the European Central Bank will ultimately play. But for now, policymakers are adamant that the ECB not simply print more money, and they've assured the public that saving the unified currency is the top priority. Stocks here also benefited from several doses of good news in the form of unemployment insurance claims dropping below 400,000 and positive earnings reports from the likes of Cisco and Disney. In commodities, it was oil that captured the headlines. West Texas Intermediate climbed to somewhere north of $97.50 a barrel, while Brent crude rose to 113. Investors are encouraged not only by the claims numbers and the profit reports, but also that China's imports climbed 1.7% in October, which suggests that the Chinese economy is healthier than many had believed. Now, while there will be more Libyan oil finding its way to market in the months ahead, oil supplies do remain quite tight. Now, imagine what prices will do if the global economy accelerates. It's not a pretty prospect, but it will be good for energy investments, which continue to trade as though oil prices were far lower than they are. So there's a good opportunity there for investors willing to step into the market. That's all for now. Be sure to stop by again, and we'll have plenty more for you.